Welcome back to Mommy and Baby's Art Class Season 2. You have always seen Somansh with me in such videos, but this time it's Avyansh, my younger son. And I got tired of him saying, I'm bored, I want to do something. So we thought, why not we get Mommy and Baby Art Class Season 2. So here we are with our very first project, for which we need some pom-poms, some googly eyes, a Fevicol or any glue, some petroleum jelly, an empty bowl, and scissors and some twine. Alright, and with this we are going to make something beautiful. First of all, start with sticking two pom-poms together like so. There, little bit of Fevicol and stick two same colored pom-poms together. There. Once you are done sticking all the pom-poms together, open the twine and grease the bowl, the outside of the bowl generously, and then put some Fevicol on it and make a coil out of the twine like that, and place it on the bowl and keep rotating it as shown. Keep adding the Fevicol side by side, time to time, and keep making the coil bigger and bigger. You have to cover the entire bottom of the bowl and even some part of the sides of the bowl. There, I think this much is fine. So I'm cutting the twine over here and sticking the loose end properly and keeping the bowl for drying. It is going to take some time, so let this dry. Meanwhile, the pom-poms are dried and we are going to stick two googly eyes on each like this. There, let them dry. Meanwhile, let's cut some teeny tiny triangles from colored papers. These are going to be the beaks of our little birdies. Keep the colors according to their body. Don't use same colors for same birds because then they will merge and the beaks won't show, and we don't want that. Once you're done cutting them, just fold them from middle to make a crease and stick them right underneath the googly eyes like that. Easy peasy, and we are done. And now the twine on the empty bowl has also dried. Let's try and remove it. By the way, I had left it overnight, so don't hurry up. Let things dry properly and then remove. So the birds and the nest both dried for the night, and in the morning I am assembling them. Like this, I use some dried leaves of fern. Oops, one eye came off, but I stuck it again, and there our little project is ready. Little Avyansh loves it, and so do I. Thank you so much for watching. See you in another episode of Mommy and Baby's art class throughout this summer. Bye-bye.